an allergy to dairy at school. What does he have?
He has lactose intolerant.
What?
He is lactose intolerant.
Lactose intolerant?
And what does that mean?
It means he can't have any.
Did you say
dairy
lactose intolerant or lactose intolerant?
What?
He's allergic to blackness?
Well,
Lactose. Is he intolerant to lactose?
that's right, Kitsy?
Yeah.
If he was allergic to milk?
He also can't have any dairy product.
Right, but it's from the black
then
toast.
It's called lactose intolerant.
It's called what?
Lactose intolerant.
He's lactose intolerant, kids. So it's not lactose intolerant.
Did you say lactose?
Lactose intolerant.
What are you saying it is? Get over here, bub.
It's lactose intolerant if he's allergic to milk.
It's lactose and tolerant.
Intolerant.
It sounds like a law firm. What do you think it is, bub?
It's lactose intolerant.
And what do you say, Kitsy? Black toast?
No, lactose intolerant.